while waiting at the beach house, we've got some people singing carols. So it's a bit weird because they got ukuleles in the background here. See if I can try and zoom in. Okay, can't zoom in on front camera. That's awkward. But yeah, so the carols are nice. The ukulele's a bit weird, a bit added feature, I guess you could say, but still. And there's Bridget vlogging herself. Go suss her YouTube, Bridget Kathleen. She does give videos too. No, dear, how much I love you. Got the carolers singing again with the ukulele. It's a bit weird. We're talking to Polly right now on the phone. She told us to go right. She don't know our location. But okay, so anyway, we're gonna go. Okay, see you. Wait. Oh yeah, I can see you. I can see you. Can you see him? Okay, so we got Polly here now. We finally picked her up. So now we're vlogging. My YouTube channels. Anyway, so we picked her up now. We finally caught her. We accidentally walked the wrong way, but then we found her. Well, she found us. Anyway, so we'll talk later when we're actually on the beach. Beach now. The weather's looking good, which is good. The sand's nice. Tide's out a bit, which sucks. But oh well, we should come in like in the afternoon sometime. Who really knows? But yeah. Polly's cleaning this bird poop off her towel with a crunchy wrapper. What an idiot. There's Bridget doing whatever she wants, and the beach is looking good today though, like it's not too crowded.
Why is it green?
There's a lot of people on the family side today, and hardly anyone on this side, but oh well. They're all coming. Okay, so they're trying to scrub the bird poop off using a rock and water. Really, they just spread it through the towel. And then she's just gonna have to live with it.
Oh, there's an
yeah.
Where?
Yeah,
Ew, why have you got so many? I hate seagulls!
Okay, Kelly's drinking her OJ. Same here, got the $2 cold brand. Well, Bridget's not focusing, okay, it's focusing.
I've already finished that.
Bridget's cracking open the raspberry tartlet.
Mine's not even working. Who wants a raspberry tartlet?
Hell yeah!
Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers! Ting.
They're good.
Okay guys, so we just tested the water. Now we're getting warm. The sun's drying out a bit. Can't see Bridget's head because it's hidden. Oh, she's actually got a shirt over. I didn't realise they were just the bags. But yeah, so the water was good. It was nice. It was clear. There was little poo things in it though, which was a bit weird. But it's all good. Okay guys, so we're leaving Glenelg now. Bye everyone. I don't know who was in that. Okay, Polly, yes, you were in that. We're leaving and we're going home now. We swam and it was great. Bit really choppy, but still fun.
Yeah, and we didn't get to jetty jump
because of a fat old man with grey hair. But
except we saw these other boys that were getting to jetty jump. So
yeah, like what's with that? Like,
yeah,
I'm so confused. Like, sexist much? Just saying. There were some really hot guys as well at the beach, but...
And there's a sign that says no swimming near rocks, but a girl died the other day. Just over there.
Oh, yeah, wait, let me turn around. She was Indian. And there's her body.